Ni uhoro mwega kuri arithia mahiu kuma kaunti ya Kajiado thutha wa muikariri giti wa kambuni ya Kenya Meat Commission St. Toros kuga ni matanyite kugura makiria ma mahiu 7,000 itena-ini ria mbere.
Tunanunua haya ng'ombe na yale ambayo inaweza kusafirishwa mpaka kichinjio ya Kenya Meat Commission tutawasafirisha. Pia tuna program ambayo tunajaribu kwa mara ya kwanza kwamba yale ng'ombe ambayo hawezi tembea kabisa, hawezi ingishwa kwenye lori kwa sababu sitakufa, tuna mpango ya kujaribu kwenda kuwalisha kutoka mahali tumeonunua.
Toros ni oritie arithi kwihuga na broker aria mangioya kanya gaka kwimathira kuria matarimite. Mweneni wake gavana wa Kajiado Olelenku ni atariri icigo-ini 8 iria cigukorwo igitabanĩrio thũgũrĩ wa mahiũ maria mahatiririkite ni ng'aragu. Uyu ukite riria aikari aragdera moritie thirikari eke mituki kuona ni yahonokia mahiũ mao maria magumiirwo ni ng'aragu nene.
We are asking for the national government and the county government to bring us water boozers, fodders for haze and feedings of these animals.
Kiumia kihituku mutongoria wa bururi akihingura monanio ma urimi kiharo-ini kia Jamhuri ni arutire ndumiriri na kuga thirikari yake ni ikunyitania na thirikari cia county hari guteithĩrĩria arĩithia kuma county iria igumiirwo ni ng'aragu nene.
The livestock insurance that my administration has in collaboration with county governments and the private sector initiated, which is the Kenya Livestock Insurance Program. This scheme is aimed at cushioning pastoralists in arid and semi-arid lands against adverse effects of forage security resulting from severe drought. The program currently covers 8 counties: Wajir, Mandera, Turkana, Garissa, Isiolo, Marsabit, Samburu, and Tana River. So far, over 1,000 pastoralists have benefited from the livestock insurance program at a cost of approximately Kenya shillings 300 million.
Giripotera shesheni ya Kameme TV ni Geto wa Jiro wa Juguna.